Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make drumstick sambar with rava idli. It's instant rava idli. Okay, so for that I have taken the ingredients. It is here like this. So I have taken for the sambar this one onion. I have cut it in fine pieces. Okay, and then one tomato, medium sized tomato, and two garlic pods. Okay, and for the tadka I have taken this all cumin seed and mustard seed and one whole red chili and curry leaves. Okay, here I have taken the tamarind paste. Okay, and here it is for the rava idli actually. Okay, and for the sambar I have taken this tur dal. I just soaked it in a water. Okay, it's just around half an hour I soaked in the water. Okay, and for the drumstick and for the drumstick I just boiled it in a water, salted water, so it should be like this. Okay, it's a soft one right now. Okay, and here I have taken this turmeric powder and this asafoetida, it will go. Okay, and this sambar powder I have taken. You can see sambar powder here. Okay, and for the sambar I have taken 1.5 glass of water. Okay, and here will go salt, and here oil I have taken. Okay, and for the rava idli I have taken 2 cup of rava. Okay, I just soaked it in a curd actually. Okay, so 1 bowl of curd and 2 bowl of rava I soaked it. I just mixed it gradually and mixed. I just put it some salt in this. So according to taste, you will put the salt. Okay. So consistency should be like this. I will put little water also into this. Okay. So little water will go in this. Okay. And now what I will do, I will put some in this for the last. So let's prepare first the sambar. Okay, so what I have to do, just have to take one cooker. Okay, in this what you have to do, you have to put water in this. So here I am putting 1.5 glass of water. Okay, and then what I will do, I will put this tur dal into this. So I will put this whole tur dal into it. And now what I will put all my this little onion, half onion I will put in this. 1 garlic pod I will put in this. Now this whole tomato will go in this. So now I will put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into this, and now we'll put salt according to the taste. So now what we have to do, we have to give it a whistles on a medium flame. Okay, so 4 to 5 whistle will go till it get all dissolved into the water actually. Okay, so now let cook it. Okay, so I'm going to put. So now we'll put it on a medium flame. So we have to cook it till 5 whistles here. Okay, so let it cook, and now we'll open this cooker. So you can see my dal is cooked properly. Like this it should cook. We'll mash it. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder into this. Oh, 1.5 is enough actually. We'll give it a mix. We'll put this drumstick into this. So now we'll boil it at least for 10 to 15 minutes. So on a full flame or medium flame you have to boil it. So till I'm going to prepare the tamper. So for tamper I have taken one this kind of vessels. If you don't have, you can do in any other vessels as well. Okay, so we'll put oil into this. So around 2 tablespoon oil will go in this. Let it heat. So my oil is heat now. So now I will put this onion into this. Garlic. So we have to saute it. So onion is like this much sauteed. Now at this point I will put all the things like mustard seeds, jeera, and my dry chili and curry leaves. So all together I am putting here. Let it crackle. We'll put hing into this, asafoetida, around 1 teaspoon. So we'll fry it till golden brown actually. So my temper is ready now. So we'll switch off the flame. So now I will add this temper into the sambar. So we'll boil it again for the 10 minutes. So at the last I will put this tamarind pulp into this. So around 1 tablespoon, big tablespoon I have taken the tamarind pulp. So now we'll mix it properly and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes again on medium flame. Now you can see my sambar is almost ready. So now my sambar is ready. So I'm going to transfer it into a serving bowl. And you can have this sambar with the idli and dosa and as well as rice. Okay. So please try this recipe. And this. So guys, my sambar is ready right now. So in market drumstick is not available. You can replace with any other vegetable as well. Okay, so try with any vegetable, it will be like the same taste. Okay, just you have to pre-cook the like vegetable, whatever vegetable you're taking. So now I'm just going to mix this ENO into this rava, 1 packet ENO. So I will mix it like nicely. So now I mixed it properly. See, it is already rises. So I have taken this idli plate. So I just greased it properly. So now I will put this mixture into this. The same way I will put into this. So now I have taken one steamer. It is already hot right now. So I will put my idli plates into this. So we'll cover it and we'll wait on a medium flame. I will cook it. You can see my idli is getting ready. So you have to cook it till 10 minutes on medium flame. Okay. So what I will do, I will remove it from the plates. Let it cool, then I will remove it from the plates. So my idli is ready. Just see how soft it is. So it is instant. So that is why I have put it like in this. Okay. So my sambar is also ready here. So I will put this into this. So guys, this is my idli sambar. It is ready right now. So you also try and just serve it in a breakfast or a lunch. Anytime you can have it. Okay. So it is very healthy and I have used very less oil in this. So you also try, and thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.